Well, we've been lucky enough to be showered with lots of useful tips. So I can either go to what it means to tackle this age group, or very practical and down-to-earth teaching tips for dealing with different skills. And something that I particularly take away with this workshop is life skills, how to tackle and deal with life skills, which is something that Gateway does so brilliantly. I can't wait to go back to Argentina and act as a multiply agent, doing in-school training at the institutions where I work, and maybe being a bit more ambitious and organising a workshop in my local town. When I get back to school, I'm going to go with renewed energy and definitely a widened horizon of what it means to tackle lessons with teenagers. And it's really comforting to know that while it is daunting to teach teenagers, it is equally rewarding, and that the experiences around the world and the experiences had by well-known authors is pretty much the same or replicated everywhere in the world.